my previous video, I broke down how I believed gold would act in the next week or so. So I'm currently going to jump onto US30. US30 has been in overall a high time frame range. It isn't really great movement. However, you can take advantage of it and essentially seek for an entry and just make some money basically, especially considering that it's a high time frame range essentially. What that means is it is ranging, but there's enough movement for people to be eating essentially, eating, making money, whatever you need to do basically. So in this case, what we had is, again, first break of structure, second one here. I count as a break of structure personally, which creates a new range, tapping into this, going all the way up, sweeping, and then bringing it back to the previous 4-hour point of interest. So if we go down to the 15-minute, as we can see here, this is Monday the 19th of January, by the way. So we had a break of structure here, and preferably what we'd like to see is a change of character through here. So as long as price goes up here, I believe that the buy is confirmed. So as of right now, overall, I'm just seeking for buyers if it's me, considering especially that we are in the demand zone in discount at the moment. I'll look for buyers and for pricing to go this way. Since this 4-hour point of interest has been holding up, movement essentially, and there's also imbalance here, I do believe that those who allow price to keep going up, especially with the attempts at breaking this previous point of interest. We did have this here before. However, that became to what some people would, refer as a support, especially after the structure up here was broken. Guys, I don't, that was no pun intended, by the way. I don't trade support and resistance. However, yeah, I mean, you understand what I mean when I'm talking about support and resistance. Overall, though, the last few weeks, price has been just bullish, honestly. It's just been ridiculously bullish, you can see. Like, it hasn't slowed down. So I wouldn't be surprised if it does keep going up. We could see some fatigue and see price drop, but this is just, yeah, months and months of data. And, you might as well just follow the trend until you no longer can. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. For this week, my prediction is going to be US30 will go up. Looking at it on the daily chart now, though, as well, I can say as well that there is quite a bit of imbalance here to fill up. Will it do it though? I don't know. We'll have to see what price gives us at the end of today. As of right now, I don't believe so though. I believe we'll still carry on to the upside. And yeah, just break the structure. You can see an imbalance through here. Technically, it should be just this, technically. Well, yeah, this gap, this fair value gap, but I see all this. Yeah. That's my analysis. Good luck in the markets.